Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to lock the screen on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So generally, you have two ways of doing that. The first one is pressing the start button over here, going into power options and selecting the lock option. But if you would like to do it faster, you'll just have to use the combination of Windows and L buttons. So press them together like that, and your laptop goes into the lock screen. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.